Hello friends, welcome to SS Sharp Mind. Today we are going to learn Grade 7, Section 3, A Trek Through the Himalayas. The poet takes us through a journey which most of us may only dream about. Read these experiences as he unfolds every bit of the difficult trek through mighty Himalayas. The journey lasts for days and days. We trek up valley, hill and slope. We carry with ourselves the hope to traverse strange, untrodden ways. Explanation. The poet in the first stanza reveals that trekking through the Himalayas is a journey of many days and a difficult one too. The trekkers climb up through the Himalayas with a positive hope of reaching the peak. The trekking is through the valley, hill and slopes, sometimes through unfamiliar and untrodden ways too. Second stanza. We enter now a world of clouds. Along the way we hear the call of mountain wind and waterfall. The pallid mist is spreading shrouds. The poet is sharing his experience when he is about to reach the peak of the mountains. He says that he feels like they are among the clouds and all the way hear sounds of wind and waterfall which makes him feel that the mountains are calling for them. Stanza 3. At last we reach the final peak. The summit beckons us to come. The air is cold, our feet are numb. We climb to reach the grail we seek. In these lines, the poet has enumerated his emotions when finally they reach the peak of Himalayas. They are enchanted by the view from there. He says that the peak of the mountains is covered with light covering of mist. He also says that the air on the peak is cold, which makes their feet numb. The poet strongly feels that the summit is calling for them, and so they climb with a positive hope to achieve the mission which seemed quite difficult to reach. Now stanza 4. The path is steep and narrow there, it snakes its way, the stairs of stone. Now mark the route we make our own, the sunshine gilds the lucid air. The poet talks about the route. The poet talks about the route to the peak of Himalayas, which is very steep and narrow. He says that they have to make their own way, as the stairs of stone only shows us the path to the top. The poet expresses the beauty of the sunshine. The poet expresses the beauty of the sun that shines on the covering of the mist and appears like gold. Stanza number 5. The peak is dark with gelid snow. We look where sky and earth have merged. From high above, our souls are perched. Forgotten lies the world below. The concluding four lines by the poet is final experience from the peak of the Himalayas. It is extremely cold out there as the peaks are covered with snow. The poet is overwhelmed with happiness to see the horizon from the top. His eventual emotion expresses that their souls are cleaned of bad thoughts and feelings. It makes them feel that they do not remember anything about the world below. The poem A Trek Through the Himalayas describes beautiful experiences by the poets